Hey guys, in this video we're not just talking about video editing apps. No, we're going to be talking basically about what your viewers need to know and a little bit of your editing style. Welcome to Video Editors Magazine episode 5, and in this episode we are going to be covering how to think like a video editor.
Please watch this video to the end because I'm going to be dropping a website for creators.
Don't do it to me. I beg you. No.
So back to what we were saying. Editing is story first, not effects. Beginners ask, what effect should I use? Pros ask, what should the viewer feel? In editing, your order matters. You let your preparation, your action comes before it. Always use your editing to tell the story. Every edit tells a story. Editors don't just cut, they cut at the right time. Every bit, every count, every intensity, every shutter counts in edit. Timing is everything. Edit is just like music, whereby you know when to cut and you know when to fade in and fade out. That's why there's a beat feature in CapCut. This next one I'm about to talk about, I bet most of you didn't know it, or do you know it?
I don't know.
You've probably watched the video and wonder why you will ask people to come out view with you.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
It's not just because the video is interesting, it's because of the communication and the angles that are using it. Camera angle is one of the reasons why people are thrilled to watch video.
Yes, camera angles.
Now you are probably asking, what are camera angles and when should I use them in video? This is a cowboy shot. This is a detailed shot. This is a wide angle shot. This is an aerial shot. These are explanations of different camera angles. One thing to know is that sound is half the video. However, with the video sound like a spoiled speaker or the screaming goat. Most beginners focus majorly on visuals, but what professional editors understand is that sound truly controls emotion, just like your cuts do. A video can look amazing, but without a good audio, it feels empty. Sound gives life to every cut, transition, and movement. Another important skill is syncing sound with movements and your transitions and cuts, where your beat intensity increases and when it reduces. Most beginner editors always want to find and add much effect and transitions to their videos, which end up making their effect look whack. Nobody will tell you, you have to find out yourself what's good for your viewer. You might have all this editing apps and might not get the context of how to use them and how to edit. Less is more than editing simply means stripping away anything that doesn't serve the story, emotion, or rhythm. It's about controlling and clarity and not doing less work. This video here already follows the guidelines that has been laid down on this video. Less is more, and it makes use of visuals like the detailed shots, the lighting, and everything about the video. Smooth framing and the rhyming of the transitions with the beats. Everything in your video should rhyme and tell a story. This video is just showing an emotional guiding, and this video succeeds because it has already created a strong branding. If you watch this video up to this moment, then that means you are not here for what I want to teach you. I will here for your website. But anyways, I've forgotten the website. I will tell you that later. Wait, before you spoil your laptop, please. This is I want to tell you, calm down. The first website is playphrase.me. You can search the website. You just click, type in your text, and it brings in shots from movies. I downloaded this screaming goat meme from this other website I'm about to mention, and a bit of other memes I used in this video. You've not just learned how to think like a video editor, you've also learned new websites to add clips to your videos. If you really gain anything from this video, please do well to smash that subscribe button.